Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ebony here with the Keto Queen, and tonight we're gonna be making lobster tails. We're about to be getting fancy in the kitchen tonight. This recipe is extremely easy. All we're gonna need is a half a stick of butter, some lemon juice, some minced garlic, and a combination of other seasonings. Let me show you guys. So I used a half a teaspoon of each. So it's salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Old Bay, paprika, and Creole seasoning. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is take the lobster tail and take it from this and turn it in to this. So all we're gonna do is cut it down the spine, directly down the middle, and just pull the meat out and place it on top. Next thing we're gonna do is take it apart and just plop it right on top. Super easy. Next, we're gonna cut the top layer of flesh down the middle to butterfly the meat, and then we're gonna clean out all the nasty gunk. Now we're ready to make the sauce. The sauce is everything. The sauce is what's gonna give the lobster tails all of their seasoning. So first what we're gonna do is melt the butter. So I told you guys I have a half a stick of butter. I'm gonna put this in the microwave and melt it, and then I'll be right back. Now that I have my melted butter, I'm gonna add in the seasonings. So this is our seasonings mix right here. I'm gonna add all of this into the butter. I'm gonna add some lemon juice. And then I'm gonna add some minced garlic. And we're gonna mix that up really, really good. Next, we're taking our lobster tails and brushing them all over with the butter mix. Like all over, front and back. Make sure to be very generous with this application. We need this sauce all over them. Next, we're gonna bake these for about 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay, now that they're done cooking, I'm gonna add a little bit more of the butter sauce on top, and then I'm gonna top it with some parsley, some fresh parsley, and then I'm gonna show you guys how they look. Oh my goodness, you guys, these look so good. Okay, so these lobster tails look so good that I'm about to eat them like mukbang style. So I'm gonna literally take the butter sauce and dip the whole thing in there and take a big bite. Here's my butter sauce, and here's my lobster tail. I'm literally just gonna dip it in here. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is top tier. This is literally so delicious. I'm about to eat both of them right here, right now. No sides, no nothing. Like, this is too good. They didn't stand a chance. It was so good. So honestly, I finally think I've outdone myself. That was literally the best thing I've ever made in my life. It was so good. You guys have to try this recipe. It is the bomb, like so delicious. I want to thank you guys for joining me for this recipe. I hope you guys liked it. If you did like it, please give this video a thumbs up And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. What are you doing? And it would be great if you could follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll see you guys back in my next video. Love you so much.